This is a GCS News Break.
Remember, it's got to go all the way over and down now. And
Electrical trades teacher Bruce Lockwood reminds his students where the wiring needs to be placed in this newly built tiny house. He, along with teacher John Hensley, are at the site of Tiny Houses Greensboro on Causey Street. They've brought 8 of their students from the Academy at Smith with them for some hands-on work.
This is the best experience these kids can get. You know, you can sit them in front of a book and a computer all day long, but until they get out in the field and put their hands on what they're working with, this is the best experience they can get for real life expectancies in the construction field.
About a year ago, the students got to wire the very first tiny house in this new community. Now there are 6 houses here, and they've had a hand in wiring them all.
We're doing the complete wiring, just like it would be in a normal construction home. If you was building a house on a property, we're doing all the rough-in wiring today. Every bit of the electrical on these houses are done just like a conventional house.
Senior Christian Leon Vargas says wiring the tiny homes has been an amazing experience and has definitely convinced him to pursue a degree in electrical engineering after graduation.
This is my plan A for a career. Electrical wiring, motor controls, civil engineers, all this is pretty amazing. There is good pay, but I prefer, instead of the pay, I prefer, the actual hands-on experience and stuff like that, so yeah.
And with the demand for skilled workers rising steadily, educators say these students are on the right track for a promising future.
From someone that run a business for 30-some years out in the construction field, I love to be able to get these students involved and get them involved in something that can change their life when they get out of high school. Everybody is not going to go to college. The ones that doesn't, we like to be able to have them a career opportunity the day they graduate. We've had students that graduated our school 3 or 4 years ago that's making $50,000 and $60,000 a year now working and supporting their families.
This has been a GCS News Break.